Hello little artists, I'm Mariana Olsen and today we are drawing a little frog. Are you ready?
Let's do this.
Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with. I'm using markers and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. Hello little artists, today my daughter Valentina is here with me. Vale, you wanna say hi?
Hi.
Valentina and I were gonna draw a little frog and we're gonna try to make it easy. This is a cartoon frog and we hope you like this lesson.
And it's very cute.
We're gonna start up here in the middle of the paper, and the first thing we're gonna do is a little curve where her eye is gonna start, so we're just gonna go like this.
It's like it's like you're like.
Oh, good job, you did it. Now we're gonna do a circle that is gonna go around and it's gonna connect to the thing, okay? So we're gonna start on this side, we're gonna do a big circle and it's gonna come around and it's gonna connect again with the line.
Owie, wowie.
What? Good job. Now we're gonna do the inside of the eye and we're gonna do a half a circle. So I wanna go in the middle of my circle and I wanna curve down like this.
Oh, so that's how it's supposed to do it. Go slow.
Good job. Slow and steady, that it does it. Okay. Now we're gonna do kind of like a half a circle or a circle around the eye, okay? And it's just half a circle. So we're gonna start here on the top of the eye. Look, we're gonna go around.
I am so adored, even though there's just.
So we're gonna stop right here, okay?
Okay.
Good job. Now we're gonna do the front of her face. So from this point, I'm gonna go up a little, and then I'm gonna do a curve down.
Now I need to put my nose down.
Okay, now we're gonna do the second eye. So we're gonna leave a space here, and then we're gonna do another half a circle. So I'm gonna go like this, half a circle.
That's just me whistling.
Good job. Now we're gonna do another half a circle inside. So I'm gonna start in the middle of this one and I'm gonna go down and connect. Now we're gonna do the top of the eye and we're gonna go from this point up. We're gonna curve and connect with the other eye. Good job. Now we're gonna do the mouth. So for the mouth, we're gonna do underneath this line we did first, the very first line we did. We're gonna go down and we're gonna draw like a smile. And you can pass your marker twice just to make that line like bigger.
Still looks a little bit like a cobra. Hey, that's like a smiley face.
Now we're gonna do two curves. From this point, we're gonna do a curve that goes up and then a curve that starts going down till I get to the middle. So you go up close to the eye and you start going down until you connect to your half a circle or your little smile. Okay, now we're gonna do the back. So for the back, I want to start doing a little curve here. We're gonna give it a little bit of move to her body, so a little curve. And then we're gonna do another one that is gonna come from this point and we're gonna curve back, kind of like a letter C. Curve, 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 curve. Now we're gonna do one of his legs. We're gonna do a letter C here after this line, so we're gonna do a letter C for the first leg. And now we're gonna do another curve. This curve is gonna pass the letter C, so look, it's gonna go over and down, and I stop right there.
Okay.
Now we're gonna do the top of her feet like this. We're gonna curve down, and you should have a space here open, okay? And now we're gonna do two toes. So we're gonna do kind of like a letter U and then a backwards letter C. Good job. Now we're gonna do the first leg that is right next to this one. So let's start with a line that connects with the leg. Now we're gonna leave a space and we're gonna do a second line that goes down. And now we're gonna do a second line that connects with the leg. So let's start with a line that connects with the leg. So let's start with a line that connects with the leg. Now we're gonna leave a space and we're gonna do a second line that goes down. And now we're gonna do a second line that connects with the leg. So let's start with a line that connects with the leg. And now we're gonna do a second line that goes down. And now we're gonna do 2 curves, like 1 and 2.
1 and...
So this frog is, you know how frogs have big bellies or big, like when you go work.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go from this corner. We're gonna try to round it good until we touch the leg. So I'm gonna start here in this corner. I'm gonna go down and connect with the leg.
Can't delete it.
Connect with the leg. Good job. Perfect. We're gonna do another little leg like this one, sticking out underneath her tummy. So we're just gonna go little line, and then we're gonna go 1 and 2. Good job. And now to finish this up, we're gonna do the last leg similar to this one. So we're gonna start here and behind. I'm gonna do a curve that goes down.
A curve that goes down.
Now, if you still have room here, we're gonna do a little line, and then a letter U and a backwards letter C.
Oh.
Good job. And there, that's it. We finished our little frog. Yeah, she looks super cute, but I think she's gonna look better when we put all the colors.
I think I like your frog.
But what do you need to do to get better at it? Practice, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, and now my favorite part is coming, and that is...
Let's color.
Okay, little artists, we are done. This is how our pictures turn out with the colors. Valentina went for a lighter green. I went for a dark green on the frog. Remember, you can actually change the color of your frog. You can make it any color you want. You can use your imagination to finish this frog and to put something on the background, right? What we should put in the background?
I want to put a rock, some grass, and I would put a tree, a pond.
A pond, that will be lovely. That you can put like a leaf that he's sitting on and put it in the water, maybe. Yeah, you can finish your picture as you want it. And remember, if you like this lesson, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. See you next time. Bye.